India's AI industry.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking at a country making huge strides in AI, India. It's a really fascinating story about ambition and, well, smart strategy.
Absolutely. And our mission here is to sort of unpack what's really powering India's AI push. We'll look at the drivers, the opportunities, but also the challenges they're facing. You should get a good sense of why this is so important globally, too.
Okay, let's dive in at the scale. It's kind of mind-blowing. India's AI market, they're saying it could hit, $17 billion by 2027?
Yeah, with a KGR, a growth rate of around 45%. It's explosive.
And get this. India apparently has 16% of the world's AI talent already, and number one in AI skill penetration. That's ahead of the U.S., Germany. How does that happen?
Well, that's a really interesting part. The government is playing a very active role. You've got the India AI mission.
Right, heard about that. Big budget.
Pretty substantial, yeah. Over 10,000 crore, so more than $1.2 billion US. And they're using it to build this massive AI compute infrastructure. Think like almost 19,000 GPUs.
Wow, okay. GPUs, those are the heavy lifting processors for AI, right?
Exactly. And the key thing, they want to make this power affordable. We're talking maybe $100 an hour for access.
Compared to what, globally?
Well, typically you'd be looking at $2.50, maybe $3 an hour. So it's a huge difference.
So does that basically just open the floodgates for like smaller startups, researchers?
That's the idea. It really democratizes innovation. Suddenly, access to high-power computing isn't just for the big companies with deep pockets.
That feels like a real game changer because compute cost, that's always been a huge hurdle, right?
Yeah.
Especially if you don't have massive funding.
Exactly. It levels the playing field. You could have a small team, maybe not even in major cities, suddenly able to experiment with really complex AI models.
So it's not just more AI stuff being built, but potentially totally new kinds of things.
I think it's both. Lowering that barrier means more people, more diverse ideas can actually get off the ground. You unlock creativity that might have been stuck otherwise.
Makes sense. So with this kind of support and talent, where are we seeing the impact, like in everyday life?
Well, healthcare is a big one. AI is being used to streamline diagnostics, improve patient outcomes. That market alone is projected to hit, $1.6 billion by 2025 in India?
$1.6 billion just for AI and healthcare. That's significant. Imagine getting better medical insights faster, maybe even in remote places.
Precisely. And then there's agriculture. That's another area undergoing a massive transformation.
Agriculture, how so?
Precision farming, mainly, using AI to help detect crop diseases much earlier with high accuracy. Optimizing water usage, too, which is...
Please click the button below to watch the full video.